Hey everybody! Alright, so I'm currently editing the video that you are watching right now. My little makeshift soundproof room here in the closet. I've been here for a while. It's hot. You know, dark room. Sorry, little Simon D reference. Anyways, so I'm going to be reading you an excerpt actually from my book, King of Zara. And I was doing it with my father. You will see why if we just go, if we're just gonna go into it. You're gonna see why I ended up doing it myself. But anyways, if you want to skip ahead and just see how to make the Cosmic Lotus Tea, you can just click the link. Well, not the link. What is it? The timestamp. The timestamp right here, or wherever it will be. All right. Catch you later, girl or guys.
I look up at her with wide eyes, surprised she could tell right away what is wrong with me. She extends her hand and I place mine in it, letting her lead me to her nighttime study.
Stay calm, King, I tell myself. I take in deep breaths, but to no avail, as the necklace chain continues to burn the back of my neck. Young King, are you alright? Miss B asks from behind me. The necklace cools and goes back to its regular opal color. Covered in sweat, I push it back under my shirt and lean to the side as if nothing is wrong. Yeah, everything is fine. I was just resting out here, and a bug fell on me. Those pesky little critters. They even find their way all the way out here. Yeah, annoying little guys, I say as I jump up, shuffling from side to side. Well, I was just wondering where you were. All the teachers met with your friends and took them to meet the girls, but I noticed you weren't there. Yeah, I guess I was more tired than I thought. It's so peaceful up here. It quite is. In my younger years, I fell asleep many a times, wrapped in the star's embrace, says Miss B eloquently. But her smile slowly fades, as it is hard for me to smile back at her. She places her hands on my shoulder and asks, would you like to join me for a nighttime cup of cosmic tea? Cosmic Lotus Tea is the best for an uneasy mind. I look up at her with wide eyes, surprised she could tell right away what is wrong with me. She extends her hand and I place mine in it, letting her lead me to her nighttime study.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Today I will show you how to make Cosmic Lotus Tea, the staple tea of the teachers and leaders of Kasai from my book, The King of Zara. Now, to begin, one would think the base of the Cosmic Lotus Tea would be lotus. However, the two tea leaves used are jasmine tea, which I have right here. I'm actually using the jasmine pearl. And the other tea leaf is the butterfly pea. It's a pretty blue and purple flower. The tea gets its lotus half of the name because most of the people of Kasai top the tea off with a lotus flower to represent the moon in the cosmos. They're very poetic people. So each of these teas calls for 1 teaspoon. I used to have a teaspoon for each since I mixed them together. steeping, the jasmine tea can be steeped from 2 to 4 minutes, but the butterfly from 5 to 7 minutes. So I just met halfway and steeped the tea for 5 minutes. Now, if you want, you can make them separately and bring them together to make a super cosmic show. But less dishes are always better in my opinion. So each teaspoon is to 6 ounces of water. So here I have my 6 ounces of hot boiled water. And all I'm going to do is add it to the mixture of tea leaves. You can already kind of see the blue color coming from the butterfly pea. You can definitely think of the flowers in the tea as the stars in the cosmos. That's kind of the idea I was going for. Alright, now the magic show is going to begin. Now, I did not have a proper strainer, so I'm going to be using this, and we're going to see how this will turn out. Though I kind of already know, I'm from the future. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to strain your steeped mixture into your mug. And then I got excited, and as you see, it just went everywhere. My mother's probably watching this video and saw that coming. She definitely saw that coming. So just make sure that you get a proper tea strainer or one of those nice bottles that they have, like where you can just do it all together. But I know they're fairly cheap, the strainers. Probably get it from the dollar store for $1. Anyways, now we have this beautiful blue color tea. And so, in order to make it cosmic lotus tea, we're going to be adding some lemon juice, as you can see. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Magic! So excited! And there you have cosmic lotus tea. So I also saw another version of this tea where they added Korean honey citron tea for the lemon instead of using lemon juice, and it creates that really good gradation in the tea, so you can see the yellows, the blues, and the purples. That Korean honey citron tea is kind of that sticky type of tea. I don't know, let's say like jellyish. If you look it up, it's actually a very good tea by itself as well. And so you can have this tea over ice or hot. Right now I'm adding the tea leaves to the tea to create like the stars. I would not be drinking this tea like that, but it just creates a really pretty image because it's a beautiful tea. And I wish I had a lotus to put on top so it can be like the moon. But the people in Kasai drink this tea because it really helps them open up. The main character, King, he always usually gets closer to finding out his purpose and where he's meant to be, and he's such a worrywart in the book. So butterfly pea actually helps deal with stress and anxiety. So I think it was the perfect tea to be made with along with the jasmine tea. I think it's a perfect tea that really represents Kasai and the book The King of Zara. And I hope if you get the special edition of the book, I hope you really will enjoy it as I did. Thank you all for watching. For more content, don't forget to subscribe to AA TV. Also, be sure to like and comment below. Until next time, ride on and stay safe.